In this preview, we share only one part conclusion, part 1, and we share in this particular preview Sun's transit effect for the whole month. But part 1 conclusion, part 1 and Sun's transit. Sun's transit effect for the whole month in the preview as well as conclusion part 1 out of 10 parts. The 10 parts are like transit effect of Sun for the whole month, transit effect of Mercury for the whole month, transit effect of Mars for the whole month, transit effect of Venus effect for the whole month, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, 3, task precaution chantings of the premium content which you can buy from the website prakashastrologer.com. But in preview, I will only share Sun's transit effect for the whole month as well as conclusion part 1. The choice, if you need more information, more guidance, and you want to plan your whole month and there's a lot of important things are happening in this coming month, then why don't you take the full, complete premium, the complete in-depth horoscope detail, the forecast for the whole month, and make this particular guidance most useful for your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies. And because this the horoscope prediction which I prepare for all of you is applied and is applied, it's pure applied astrology. So you can take the benefit out of this. Aquarius, transit of Sun in 8th house, 17th September till 17th October. You have to be extra careful to avoid unnecessary expenses, avoid making important decisions about finances, about anything when Sun transit in 8th house. Support from your community, family, even partner may seem absent to you. There could be a change in your work you do, possibility of forcing you to let you go out of your current position. There could be a lot of travel which may turn out stressful. Consciously avoid getting involved in any kind of arguments with your enemies or anyone else. It's likely to be totally fruitless. Take care of your health. You may develop physical health issues like stomach disorders, blood pressure, piles causing you discomfort. You may develop needless fear, especially fear of loss of honor, meaningless anxiety, restless state of mind. And it is wise to avoid activity that involve in any kind of risk with yourself and family. Relative issue may come up unexpectedly, causing you some worries. Sun transit in 8th house. The other facets, you may feel the influence of this transit on number of different levels. One sign is this need that you may notice now is sense of strong psychological compulsion surfacing and perhaps leading to behavior that you do not understand at all. At their most powerful, these compulsion can force considerable changes in your life which are most disturbing if you do not try to get in touch with them. One very real possibility at this time that is that an encounter with someone will produce the need for very searching psychological self-inquiry or will force very powerful changes in your life. This person may challenge your value structure, or there may be powerful intermeshing of your personalities. One of the material plane, this transit can be a time of great concern about finances or resources held jointly by another person, such as spouse or business partner. By itself, this is neither a good nor a bad indication. It simply makes the issue important. You may also be worried about trying to borrow money or get financial backing from a bank. Aquarius, month of September 2021. The conclusion for month of September 2021. Aquarius. Conclusion part 1. Aquarius, during this phase of time, you are likely to involve a lot of noble deeds. And you'll be extremely happy, and some auspicious ceremony could also take place in this particular time period in the family. Your income resources will be rising and your contact with higher authorities, government authorities, professional authority will be improving. By dint of your skill, you would be able to handle even the most adverse situation scenarios. Family happiness is assured. You may be interested in philosophy or metaphysics. An absolutely perfect state of mind is also guaranteed in this period. This is a time period you must plan. Most plans will be materialized, and you'll be successful due to your creative intelligence. This is also a favorable time for love and romance. Your friends will offer you whatever assistance you need from them. If you're expecting the safe journey is also indicated, otherwise will appreciate your written work. During this phase of time, you will be over optimistic about your results. Still, business prospect will be good contact. You will get a contact with highly influential people, and those contacts will be rising. Service conditions will be improving. Frequent travel will be quite possible. Your mind will be full of innovative ideas, creative ideas, but try to apply them without realizing. Don't apply those ideas. Do not try to apply them without realizing the pros and cons of the situation. You have to be. You got to be careful. Otherwise, may I say that you can get carried away and end up losing some money, which you shouldn't. Look after your family health, please, and your health. Aquarius, due to Ketu position in 10th house, Mars Sun position in 7th house, Rahu position in 4th house, Venus Mercury in 8th house. You must be aware of professional losses. You must be aware of cheating, deception, frauds, demotions. You must be aware of professional conflicts and fluctuation. You must be aware of family relationship arguments or conflict. You must take care of your Saturn's position in 12th house. So watch your financial debts, watch your expenditures, and do watch your financial or professional choices very carefully. You might need a completed monthly horoscope report from my website, which can give you completed analysis of the whole month, define your sun's transit effect, how the higher authority, decision-making power authority going to behave with you, and how will you react toward them. Mars transit effect for this whole month, your courage, your confidence, and your family relationship, and your energy for the whole month. Mercury transit effect for the whole month, your flow of income, your flow of business, your flow of career, your flow of job. And may I say this, Mercury transit effect, how this particular whole month, what will be your business status, profession, career in this whole month. Venus transit effect, may I say that in this whole month, if you are going for an exam or test or presentation, will you be able to achieve any success? Venus transit effect, if you are going for an exam or test or presentation or interview, what will you achieve regarding your success? Venus transit effect for the whole month, may I say that in this whole month, what will you be able to accomplish regarding monthly horoscope report, regarding task, what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement to save your skin, what, may I say that, chanting exercise, spiritual chanting you must do in this particular whole month to achieve spiritual blessing, to fulfill your hope, desire, and expectation. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.